the tutorial on how to perform a sample preparation for the analysis of down. We use a precisely weighed amount of flour, a precisely measured amount of extraction solvent. We blend it. After 1 minute, we open up the beaker and filter. The filtrate is going to be slightly yellowish colorful. We only need a small amount of filtrate. We pipette that on a quick clean filter, that is a special centrifugation filter. After the centrifugation, we have a very clear liquid, and this can be used directly in the analysis, such as the aokin fluorescence polarimeter.